हेलो बच्चों, आवाज आ रही है? यस नो यस नो, जल्दी जल्दी फास्ट. आर यू ऑल एबल टू हियर? यस नो बच्चों, यस नो. फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट, टेल मी. हेलो शुभम, हाय लोहित, हाय विमल, हाय निशत, हाय रोहन, हाय केशव, हाय पवित्र, हाय हाफ मून. चलो चलो चलो. इज एवरीबडी एबल टू हियर? यस नो यस नो. Is everyone able to hear? Hello Keshav. Hello Karthik. Hi Sandesh. Hi Pavitra. Yes. Okay. 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 चलो चलो चलो, join fast, join fast, join fast. Come on, come on. Whoever wants to study, please do come fast. चलो स्कूल चले हम. चलो बच्चों फास्ट. See, so along with the videos, you have to see the concept wise, it is more than enough. And along with the practice, the more you practice, the more is better. So, what do you do? NCERT examples, exemplar examples, okay, and the PYQs. One or two questions of PYQ I have skipped because we didn't have that much of time. So, those you all completed. That will be more than enough. And whatever you are doing, Shubham, keep in mind, see, just like there is a Chinese saying, you remember the movie Chandni Chowk to China, that we are not scared with one move, what do you say, with your 1,000 moves, but we are scared with the one move that you have practiced 1,000 times. So, whatever you all are doing, students, revision is the key. Do that much of questions which you can revise. If you have done per chapter 1,000 questions and you're not able to revise single one of them, all is in vain, all in vain. Okay. So, whatever you do, make sure that you are able to revise twice at least. Clear, everyone? Where is Samiksha, ma'am? Come on, fast. Samiksha, ma'am. Let me give a call in the batch. Whoever is there, do pick up. Chalo, let's see. रोहन केम, हाँ रोहन ऑल, हाँ रोहन केम. साइन कन्वेक्शन के बाद से स्टार्ट करोगे ना? नहीं, थोड़ा सा एओडी करेंगे. एओडी क्लास में कराए थे. सो एओडी मैक्सिमम मिनिमा कंप्लीट कराने के बाद थोड़ा सा है, उसके बाद जाएंगे साइन कन्वेंशन वाले पार्ट पे. करंट उसके बाद दोनों का क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, चलो चलो भैया जी, देखते हैं आज क्या क्या कर सकते हैं हम. चलो एक बार सबको कॉल कर ही देते हैं. चलो बच्चों लोग, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. चलो फास्ट एवरीबॉडी, फास्ट फास्ट. लास्ट क्वेश्चन कॉपी करना है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. लेट्स डिफाइन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन। कौन सा था लास्ट क्वेश्चन? ये वाला। चलो, दिस वन रोहन। both the समीक्षाs और their एग्जाम। बायो एग्जाम है बहुत बच्चों का, ठीक है। तो कल लगभग पूरा फिजिक्स होगा बच्चों, एमसीएम बचेगा, मूविंग चार्जेस एंड मैग्नेटिज्म। आज करंट के क्वेश्चंस हो जाएंगे। चलो, समीक्षा मैम आ गई। यूजेस क्या लिखा आपने रोहन सर? यस यूजेस व्हाट? बहुत ही कठिन, आपका समझना बहुत मुश्किल है। चलो बाकी बच्चों फास्ट फास्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं। देखते हैं, टाइम मिलेगा तो करा देंगे, अगर टाइम नहीं मिला तो मुश्किल है। टाइम मिला तो मॉडर्न फिजिक्स करा देंगे, मॉडर्न फिजिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है। मॉडर्न व्हाट से बायो एग्जाम के लिए बच्चों को पढ़ना है। चलो अच्छी बात है। कल हो सकता है बच्चों 28 30 को है ना, तो कल परसों हो सकता है थोड़ी छुट्टी रहे आप लोगों को, जितना तक पढ़ाया गया है। कल मॉर्निंग करंट कंप्लीट करा के उतना का टेस्ट होगा, ठीक है। तो आपके चैप्टर्स जो जो टेस्ट में आएंगे, केमिस्ट्री पूरी की पूरी लगभग 12 हो चुकी है, वो आएगी। आपका मैथ्स में मैट, डेट, सेट्स, रिलेशन फंक्शंस, प्रिगो, आईटीएफ, लिमिट्स, सीएनडी एंड एओडी, ये इतना तक आएगा, ठीक है। हाँ, जिन जिन का एग्जाम इसीलिए बोल रहा हूँ, कल कराने के बाद छोड़ दिया जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्लास आपकी होगी क्या बोलते हैं 30th को। आप लोग एग्जाम दे के आओगे, 5 बजे केमिस्ट्री की क्लास होगी, 7 बजे मेरी क्लास होगी, ठीक है। तो 30th को 5 PM में केमिस्ट्री मैम की क्लास, 7 PM में मेरी क्लास, और 31st को हम लोग ले रहे होंगे टेस्ट, ठीक है। मॉर्निंग करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूट्यूब पे कराओगे? नहीं, यूट्यूब पे तो नहीं होगा। करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मोस्टली सेकंड पार्ट आज ही टारगेट है करंट का भी, एओडी प्लस करंट दोनों टारगेट आज ही है। थोड़ा सा आज खींच देंगे, कल परसों कल एक मॉर्निंग का क्लास लेके फिर छोड़ देंगे। कल एक मॉर्निंग का क्लास लेके आप लोगों को जितना कराया गया है बच्चों, यू ऑल नीड टू रिवाइज, बिकॉज अगर रिवीजन नहीं है तो फिर लड्डू है, ठीक है। मैथ्स में भी 30+ हो चुका है, 35+। फिजिक्स में भी ऑलमोस्ट 15 to 20+ हो चुका है, एंड केमिस्ट्री ऑल्सो 30+ हो चुका है। तो इट्स टाइम, हाई टाइम फॉर यू टू रिवाइज। चलो चलो, सारे बच्चे आ गए, स्टार्ट करें। कार्तिकेय आ गया, लकी किधर है ब्रो? सर केम का वीडियोस और क्वेश्चन कहीं नहीं मिला ऐप में। थोड़ी देर में आप लोग को लिंक मिल जाएगा, मिल जाएगा लिंक। केम का एक तो सारे क्वेश्चंस का फोल्डर मैंने अलग से ऐप में बाहर बना दिया है, सीटी का, ठीक है, एंड कॉमेड के का भी ईयर वाइज। और ऐप के अंदर ही जो लोग क्या बोलते हैं क्रैश लिए हुए उनके लिए वो अलग से एक ये बन जाएगा, क्या बोलते हैं, फोल्डर। उसके अंदर सारे वीडियोस हो जाएंगे। मैम का जो 10 या 11 लेक्चर्स गया है, सारा का सारा वीडियोस रहेगा। चलो, और कुछ? और किसी भी बच्चे को किसी तरह का कोई डाउट तो शुरुआत करें मैक्सिमा और मिनिमा। अभी तक हम लोग क्या पढ़ चुके थे, सीरियल का रिकैप कर दे। चलो, तो अभी तक आप लोगों ने देखा, वी रेड अबाउट द चैप्टर एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स, वेयर वी टॉक्ड फर्स्ट अबाउट rate measure, second we talked about tangent normal, third we talked about increasing decreasing function, okay, fourth very little but not least we talked about approximation one formula। ये आप पे है, सो हम अगर आपको लग रहा है तो आप लिख सकते हो, नो इश्यूज, ठीक है। टेस्ट को ईमानदारी से लिखो, जितना आता है उतना लिखो बस, और बाकी में तुक्का नहीं लगाना, ठीक है। अगर कुछ अच्छा ऑप्शन चेक कर सकते हो तो यू कैन डू इट एंड फिनिश इट ऑफ। टेस्ट को दिल पे नहीं लेना, टेस्ट को क्या करना, आई नो 50% ऑफ द सिलेबस, हाउ मच आई कैन स्कोर विद दैट, ठीक है। कॉमेट के का अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं आया है रोहन ब्रो, द मोमेंट इट कम्स आई टेल यू टू ऑल। के CET का आ चुका है, 30% रिडक्शन है फ्रॉम 11th टॉपिक्स। आज एक वीडियो में डाल दूंगा रात तक में। और किसी को कुछ, एक जिन बच्चों का बीच बीच में कुछ छूट गया है या बहुत लेट है, लास्ट 20 डेज का एक प्लान शेड्यूल डाल देंगे, ठीक है। 15 to 20 डेज का, हाउ टू रिवाइज, हाउ टू डू एवरीथिंग, ठीक है। तो उसे देख लेना बच्चों और शेयर कर देना सारे दोस्तों में, जो पढ़ रहे हैं नहीं भी पढ़ रहे, अगर 15 डेज भी कोई अच्छा से पढ़ता है तो ही कैन बूस्ट हिज रैंक। हाय लकी ब्रो, गॉट लेट, चलो स्टार्ट करें। चलो एवरीबडी देयर, ओके। एक तो थोड़ा बहुत शेयर कर देना बच्चों, ठीक है, थोड़ा हेल्प हो जाएगा, कुछ लोग आ जाएंगे चैनल पे, ठीक है। तो आप लोग वीडियो को थोड़ा सा शेयर कर देना। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो मैक्सिमम मिनिमम पे डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। एओडी में कुछ नहीं भी आता तो मैक्सिमम मिनिमम समझ लो कुछ भी नहीं है ज़्यादा, ठीक है। अब मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम कब आता है थोड़ा सा ध्यान से समझना, ठीक है। चलो, चैप्टर बहुत ही सिंपल है तो घबराना नहीं है। अब देखो, स्लोप हमें पता चल गया, ये ग्राफ मेरा ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है, दिस ग्राफ इज गोइंग अप एंड इट हैज टू कम डाउन, so it has to go somewhere zero, the slope has to be somewhere zero and then only the slope can go negative, correct? Let's say a person is getting success, so somewhere if it has to get failure, it has to stop getting the success, means it will be coming to the neutral part and then it starts getting all the failures. So whenever this happens, he's in success mode then failure, what is this? This is his maximum limit which he went, clear? कितना बूस्ट कर सकता है ये डिपेंड करता है सर। अगर आप एक ग्लास दूध में 4 चम्मच बूस्ट डालते हो और उसमें 2 चम्मच चीनी, तो अच्छा खासा बूस्ट रहेगा। क्या बोलते हो रोहन सर? नो किडिंग, ठीक है। डिपेंड करता है आप लोगों पे किस शिद्दत से आप लोग पढ़ रहे हो, ठीक है, कितना ज्यादा जान डाल रहे हो कि नहीं। आई हैव टू डू इट, आई हैव 15 days, ईच एंड एवरी सेकेंड यू आर वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर दैट, ओके। रिवाइजिंग टाइम मिल रहा है, जैसे आपने एक पर्टिकुलर प्लान दिया गया आपको, you got a plan that today I have to do per day 2 chapters. Once you are done all 2 chapters, you are not sitting and relaxing in chair. What are you doing? भैया मैं तो सिर्फ 15 दिन पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ, वो जो 2 चैप्टर्स कंप्लीट हुए उसको क्या करूँ, वापस से रिवाइज करता हूँ। I have time and I'm just studying for 15 days. Others they have studied so many times. So if I'm doing for 15 days, let me work hard. So the moment you have this, you will excel. अब एक बच्चे, हाँ भैया 15 डेज है, ठीक है, एक टाइम टेबल में बना देता हूँ, तो पढ़ लेते हैं। आज का तो जो आपने टारगेट दिया था वो तो मैं कर लिया, तो आगे क्या करना है, अब थोड़ा मैं इंस्टा देख लेता हूँ। अब वो ही स्टार्टेड विथ 5 minutes ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम, थोड़ा सा रील। नाउ इन द एग्जाम टाइम पीपल, यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स watching how to what clean the rug carpet, and students are commenting, okay, एग्जाम टाइम वॉचिंग हाउ टू क्लीन द रग कारपेट। तो ऐसा नहीं करना है, ठीक है। तो 15 डेज अगर किसी को लगता है कि आई नीड टू डू गुड, मीन्स लीव अप एवरीथिंग, इवन इफ फोन इज देयर विथ यू, डजंट मैटर, डजंट केयर, डोंट यूज इट until unless it's very urgent, no need to use, clear? So if you are that dedicated, your result will show. And if not, it's okay, okay, then okay, okay, result will be there. Got it, Rohan? I'll tell you the story of one of my friend. What happened is, three of our friends, we went to give the, what is a VIT exam. So what happened? His VIT went very bad. Velour exam, I think we all have heard. Okay, yeah. So his VIT went very bad. And after VIT, we used to have AIEEE. Okay, so AIEEE exam was like 45 days was there. So the moment he heard from his friend, oh, this went bad, or he did so good, he also did so good, his other friends also did so good, he was fully shattered. He went home, he thought, whatever has happened, these 45 days, I'll give my best for AIEEE. And he gave his best and he cracked NIT. Okay, so just understand then, if 45 days you can crack NIT, then you have 15 days, you can do a lot. No, in between board exam, there is a lot of time, no, bro. Correct. Like, let's say after bio exam, maths exam is like whatever you are preparing for maths, that is, you have to tell your brain. Okay. Don't be the slave of the brain, be the master of it. Okay. Always remember, if you tell your brain, these are the excuses, these are the problems, you will always focus on the problems only. Okay. Instead of focusing on the problems, what are the good people? They focus on what? The solution. Exams are there. How can I use it to my plus point? Every time, every single second, your brain has to think, how can I use that to my plus point? Exam is there. How can I make that as a plus point to mine? Done. ये आपको गूगल चाचा अच्छा बता सकते हैं रोहन सर, अराउंड 50K पिछले ईयर का शायद डेटा है, तो ये आप अच्छे से आप देख सकते हो कॉमेट के का, how many students appeared in 2021, it will be there in Google. Okay, clear? So everybody, whenever you are thinking about something, think positive. Problems will be there, bro. Problems every day will be there. There's no person in this world who will say problem is not there. Okay, so understand, after the problem, what we can do. Clear? Clear, everyone? So, see, one old lady came to Gautam Buddha. Okay, she asked that my son has died. Okay, and I'm feeling very, very, very sorrow. I'm very sad. Why this happened to me? So Gautam Buddha, he gave that old lady, what do you say, some few bits of rice, and he told that lady that go and deliver to that house where no one has died. She kept going, she kept going, she kept going on a lot of houses. Every house, one or the other death was there. So then she understood that every family, everywhere, there is something or the other problem going on. Yeah, around 50 to 55K, bro. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Sir, when? What happened, Vimal? Vimal is like, sir, stories will read, listen, sir. Problems are like best friend. You have to mean it also, bro. People say it, but they don't mean it. Chalo. We'll start. Now, maxima and minima. Now, this function, from here to here, if you see, it was increasing, the slope was going up. Suddenly here, the slope is what? 0, then only it can go down. So when it is going up, having positive slope and then down, it means it between this part, it is the maximum or the highest value that function has went. So that is the maximum. Now, next, chalo. Now, this time the function is decreasing. So you're going bad, bad, bad. Suddenly a point came, you realize, no, whatever is done and is past. Now I need to change. This is the neutral point. Okay. Here you thought, no, whatever is done. 15 days I'll put my life on the line and your curve went up. So this will determine, done. So this is the minima of your life. Clear? So how do we check? If the function's derivative is first positive and then it goes to negative, so it will always have in between minimum, or what is a maxima. Okay, so the chances of getting maxima is here when the slope is first positive and then goes for negative. When it is going from negative first and then to negative first and then to positive, then it is minima here. Clear everybody? This is very simple, very easy. Yes, no, kids, yes, no, fast. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Check me. 1 second, student. Chalo, everybody got it? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Kids, good, 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 good. Chalo, chalo. Now, what is the critical point? Just now we said critical point is a point where f dash x equal to 0. The point, okay, 15 watching, okay. The point where, what do you say? The function is either not defined or the function is equal to 0. Both clear? So, in this case, understand student, here your, what was happening? Slope is positive. Here again slope is positive, but in between here it is 0. In between here it is 0. So it is neither maxima nor minima. Such kind of points is known as what? Point of inflection. Point of inflection. Clear? Point of inflection. Hi Akhilesh. Hi Gokul. Okay, chalo. Clear everyone? So where there is no sign change, earlier also the derivative is positive, now also derivative is positive, and in between f dash x is 0. So this point is known as point of inflection. See, never work for the result, bro. If you have known for the, what do you say? If you know the slogan, okay, that, what is the slogan? Told by Shri Krishna in Mahabharat. Do your work. Result will come one day or the other. Keep doing once, today, tomorrow. Chalo. Let's see. Now, always understand, student, this point is very important. The end points, they're never critical points. End points are never critical point. This point I want you all to write it down, okay? End points are never critical points. Chalo, fast. Now, what is this point? Everybody see? The slope here is what? Positive. Again, positive. So this is point of inflection. Here it is positive, then going negative. So this point is what? Maxima. Here it is going negative, and here it is going positive. So minima. Here there is a sharp turn. So f dash x not defined. So f dash x not defined. Clear? So these things you need to know. This graph, draw it everybody. This graph will help you a lot. Because you will remember POI is nothing but POI, point of inflection is nothing but first my slope was positive, here it became 0, slope became 0, here again positive. So positive 0 positive means POI, done. Clear? Chalo, anybody doubt? Anybody doubt? किसी बच्चे को डाउट है इसमें बच्चों? Anybody has doubt? Simple सा concept है. What is that concept? First understand POI. POI means f dash x तो 0 है, but that is not a critical point. Why? Because there is no sign change for derivative, no sign change for slope. Clear? There is no sign change for slope. Slope earlier was positive, it became 0 and again positive. So this point is never maxima. Clear? What does this shows? That we were climbing a mountain, just we took halt for a tea break. Clear? So this is not the limit of us. Again we started climbing. Clear? So you can remember like this. So this point is not, what do you say, the maximum limit for us. Is just we took a break here. Clear? Hi Harsh. Chalo. So again, we just talked about what is critical point. Critical point is a point where f dash x equal to 0 or it is not defined. Now, what is point of inflection? We talked about point of inflection is a point where f dash x is 0, but before also there is no slope change. Here positive, here also positive. So these kinds of situations where the slope doesn't change, but in between we get the derivative is equal to 0. That is known as point of inflection. Point of inflection. At this point of inflection, no maxima or minima is there. Okay. Now here everybody, again explaining the graph. See here everybody. Slope was positive, positive slope, again positive slope. Here also positive going up. So this is what PUI, PUI. Slope positive, here negative. So this is what maxima. From positive we went to negative. Now here it was we are going negative again then positive. So what is it? Minima. Here we were going positive and then we went negative, but there is a sharp turn. The graph was like this and this. So wherever sharp turn, f dash x not defined. F dash x not defined. Clear? Clear, Harsh? Got it? Everybody has written and got it. Yes, no, yes, no. We'll go for the next page. Chalo. Next. Just very simple, very easy. Write down second derivative test. What does second derivative test means? If we have done the first derivative test and we got f dash c is equal to 0, then we do the double derivative. If the double derivative turns out to be negative at that point, it is maxima. Opposite, if it is less than 0, then maxima. If it is greater than 0, then it is minima. If first derivative is also 0, second derivative at the critical point also 0, then we can't tell. We can't say whether it is maxima or minima. Clear? See, I got the first derivative at that particular point 0. So, okay, we'll go for what? Second derivative. If in the second derivative I got greater than, then it means minima. If I got less than 0, it means maxima. If I again got the second derivative also equal to 0, then directly I'll say can't say. Clear? Yes, no, public clear? Let's understand with an example. Let's understand with an example. Okay. चलो एक छोटा सा सवाल देते हैं आप लोगों को. Very simple question. Try find the maxima and minima. Maxima and minima of this function. Maxima and minima of this function. You all have 2 minutes, okay? Chalo. Maxima and minima. Fast students. Now, if anybody has doubt regarding sir preparation not going well, which way to go through, or got skipped in between, only 15 days left, what to do, you can give a call. Okay, I'll be directly talking to you, so don't worry. I'll be analyzing what would you have done, how it is, not it is, and then I'll suggest whatever suits what to say good for you. I'll just give you the suggestion that you can go and try this. Okay, chalo. It is 22x cube minus 21x square plus 36x. My writing is a bit bad, okay? But ignore it, okay? f(x) इक्वल टू, चलो पीयूष सर, आपका सवाल तो ज्योतिष के पास ले जाने वाला है, क्या बोलते हो? चले, देखो डिपेंड करता है सर के क्वेश्चंस उसमें। सर मैक्स आई थिंक, ओके, क्वेश्चंस उसमें इन टॉपिक्स से कितना दिया जाएगा कॉमेड के में, क्योंकि कोनिक्स कभी कभी आ जाता है, वेव्स वेव्स का उतना कोई खास योगदान नहीं है, इनऑर्गेनिक का तो है, ठीक है, बट बाकी आप कैसा अच्छा कर रहे हो वो उस पर भी डिपेंड करेगा पीयूष सर। अगर आपने बाकी सारा, बहुत सारा आपका नसीब पे, आपके लक पे भी है कि बाकी जो टॉपिक्स आप करके जा रहे हो उससे आप सारा का सारा कंप्लीट कर पा रहे हो कि नहीं, ठीक है। सो लॉट ऑफ फैक्टर्स इज देयर पीयूष, क्योंकि देखो ये इनऑर्गेनिक का एग्जैक्टली मुझे चेक करना होगा कितने क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं। कॉनिक मान लो 3 रखो, वेव्स 2 रखो, 5 क्वेश्चन भी आप फिजिक्स में छोड़ते हो तब भी आप अगर बाकी सारा कर लेते हो देन इट इज वेल एंड गुड। तो आपको ये गारंटी देना होगा कि इफ यू आर लीविंग दीज 3, रेस्ट ऑल यू वोंट लीव एनी सिंगल क्वेश्चन। अगर आप ये गारंटी दे दो देन डेफिनेटली विल गेट इनटू टॉप 3। चलो, चलो लेट्स सी व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स। सिर्फ एक आंसर बच्चा दिया है, वो भी हाफ मून। कम ऑन अदर्स, आंसर्स आंसर्स पीपल, राइट रॉन्ग डजंट मैटर, आंसर्स दो, क्योंकि जितना फास्ट करके फास्ट आंसर दोगे उतना अच्छा है। गलत कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, चलेगा। Be like Tata company, okay? Small mistakes in small intervals, they'll keep doing. छोटी गलतियां करो, जल्दी जल्दी करो, उसको सुधारते जाओ, ठीक है। बैठे मत रहो, गलती हो रही है कोई दिक्कत नहीं, पर जैसे गलती हुई उससे समझा, सीख लिया एंड आगे बढ़े। सो वंस यू डू अ मिस्टेक, लर्न फ्रॉम इट एंड देन मूव ऑन, यूज दैट एक्सपीरियंस, दैट्स इट, बट डू फास्ट। संदेश गेव -128। चलो एक का आंसर आया, बाकी कोई मिनिमम नहीं क्या बच्चों? लेट मी शो इट, करना क्या इसमें। सबसे पहला काम, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी हैव टू डू, find f dash x, nothing more than that. So f dash x is equal to, differentiate, x cube differentiation is what, 3x square, so 3 into 2 6x square, 21 into 2 42x plus 36, cool. Now equate that to 0, then only we'll get the critical points. I can take 6 common. So what I'll get? X square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Now I can do middle term factor. So x square minus 6x minus x plus 6 equal to 0. So x minus 6 equal to 0. So what I got? X minus 1 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So I got two values, x equal to 1, x equal to 6. Clear? Now if I do double derivative, what I'll get? F double dash x, 12x minus 42. If I do f double dash 1, what I'll get? 12 minus 42. That is a negative number. So what I'll get? Maxima. And if I put f double dash 6, I'll get 72 minus 42. So that is equal to 30. So that is equal to minima. Now I want to find the original value. So I got maxima at 6 and minima at this one. Sorry, maxima at 1 and minima at 6. Let's find the value. So f of 1 is what? Put it, what you will get? Minus 3. And f of 6 is what? Minus 128. So this is my minima and this is maxima. What was difficult here, students? What was difficult here? Come on, do tell me what is difficult here. Everybody understood yes, no in the chat section, or any line, anywhere difficulty, do tell me. Any line, anywhere, anybody has any difficulty, do tell me. Rohan, same. What same, bro? Got it, everybody? Full clear? Chalo. Step by step, break the question. Nothing is there. Divide and rule here. Break the question. First, find the derivative. Second, find the double derivative. Put the values. Okay. Once you put the values, if it is coming positive, then that is minima, double derivative. If it is coming negative, that is maxima. Now put these values in the original function to get the actual maxima and minima. That's it. No other story. Clear? Clear, everyone? Chalo. Chalo, everybody, we got this. So AOD part is done with the derivative, what you say, all the concepts and everything. Now questions are there. So this part AOD is done. Now coming to the current part, student. Okay, current part till where I have done yesterday. Everybody, just I'll be giving you 5 minutes. Revise it fast. Come on, everybody. 5 minutes I'll be giving you. Revise the yesterday's current fast. Chalo. 5 minutes, huh? Don't go start watching YouTube videos, huh? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yesterday's current, whatever I gave, the formulas I'll be asking. How many people are there? 17 people as of now. 17, 16. How many? Whoever will stay, I'll be asking them. Okay. Chalo. Fast. Or Rohan sir asked a doubt. Okay. I thought you're putting the answer, bro. You got value, no, Rohan. 1 and what is it, 6. Put it in the original function, fx. You will get this. See, 1 and 6 are the points where you are getting maxima or minima. So if you put in the original function, you will get the value also, at what value the maxima is coming or at what value the minima is coming. Clear? Or basically what is the maximum value or what is the minimum value. Chalo everybody, starting with the current. Come on, come on. 5 minutes I have given to you all. Got it, Rohan? Chalo, chalo. Sir, what problems are important of maxima and minima given in NCERT, as they are very lengthy? Word problems are not that important, but yeah, you need to know the trick how to solve it in short form. सर प्लीज पहले एओडी के PYQs करवा दीजिए. एओडी के पहले करा देंगे तो आप लोग को याद रहेगा. याद रहने में कराने में मजा नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ब्रेन के साथ खेलना जरूरी होता है. तो व्हाट यू डू, मैथ्स पढ़ते पढ़ते सडनली क्या होता है, फिजिक्स के पेपर में चले जाओ, थोड़ा सा कंसंट्रेशन बिगड़ेगा. उसमें जो बंदा कंसंट्रेशन बना लेगा, दैट्स डन. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर आप कॉमेट के लिख रहे हो 3 घंटे का खेल है, मैथ के साथ फिजिक्स, फिजिक्स के साथ केम, तो सीटी के लिए तो अलग अलग है, कोई इश्यू नहीं है. ठीक है, और पीवाईक्यूज कभी कभी मिक्स करके करना, सारे चैप्टर्स के मिला भी देना है. क्योंकि क्या होता है, व्हेन वी आर डूइंग अ पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर वी रिमेंबर. एनसीईआरटी बुक जब पढ़ते तो क्या होता है, एक चैप्टर पढ़ क्या गर्दा बन रहा है, और फिर एग्जाम में गए तो भूल गए. क्यों? क्योंकि एग्जाम में क्या हो, सारे कंसेप्ट एक साथ आ गए. और वहां जब घर पे बना रहे तो क्या था, आज वेक्टर्स पढ़ा तो पूरा का पूरा वेक्टर्स याद है, आज 3D पढ़ा तो पूरा का पूरा 3D याद है. थोड़ा मिक्स प्रैक्टिस हमेशा करना चाहिए बच्चों. थोड़ा सा वेक्टर पढ़ा, पढ़ने का अचानक से एक 3D का क्वेश्चन ट्राई किया, समझ आ रहा है, याद है जो कल पढ़ा था. ठीक है, चलो. Got it, Karthike? What says? Got it, Lucky? Only reason for making your brain a bit more sharp. इससे आपका ब्रेन थोड़ा शार्प होता है बच्चों. When you do mixed practice क्या होता है, आपका ब्रेन जो है वो अलग अलग जगह से, दिशाओं से आंसर को खोजने लगता. ओ ये वाला आंसर यहाँ था, ये वाला कंसेप्ट तो शायद मैथ्स के इस चैप्टर में था, ओ ये वाला फिजिक्स में सर जब समझा रहे थे तो ऐसे था. सो व्हेन ब्रेन गोज लाइक दैट, देन मैजिक हैपेंस. क्लियर? Then you are able to, multiple concepts you are able to mix, you are able to solve more better, more efficiently. Got it, Lucky? आप अलजेब्रा कब कराएंगे? अलजेब्रा कॉमेट के में वेटेज, हाँ. इसके बाद कैलकुलस अभी है, अभी कैलकुलस बाकी है, उसके बाद अलजेब्रा आएगा. आफ्टर दिस विल बी डूइंग इंटीग्रल, डिफरेंशियल एंड एओडी, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. हाँ, इतना करने के बाद देन विल गो फॉर वेक्टर 3D प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, देन 11th टॉपिक्स, क्योंकि दीज आर हाई वेटेज. 11 टॉपिक्स का वेटेज बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, वो लास्ट के 5 दिन में खींच देंगे, कुछ नहीं उसमें ज्यादा. टारगेट विल भी रहे, कोशिश रहेगी सो हम जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा करा पाए, बट पूरा का पूरा मुश्किल है. दैट विल बी देयर इन द ऐप एज ऑफ नाउ. कोशिश रहेगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा कराने का. ठीक है, चलो. Anybody else, any doubts? Done. We'll start. पहला सवाल फॉर लकी. यू देयर लकी? क्या हो गया लकी सर, गुस्सा करके बैठ गए? चलो, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज करंट डेंसिटी? जिनको पता है लिख दो जल्दी से. करंट डेंसिटी, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय करंट डेंसिटी? क्या फॉर्मूला है करंट डेंसिटी की? जल्दी जल्दी फास्ट. put it in the chat section और ईमानदारी से लिखना, नहीं आता है कोई इशू नहीं, लिख देना सर, डोंट रिमेंबर, और जिनको आता है आंसर लिख देना, because if you are not honest today, then after the exam the result will be very honest, तो उस टाइम दिक्कत होगा. फास्ट बच्चों, व्हाट इज करंट डेंसिटी? I by A. चलो, करंट डेंसिटी विमल रोड, गोकुल रोड, करंट पर यूनिट एरिया, निशत रोड, J is equal to I by A, सोहम रोड. चलो, अभी भी सारे बच्चों का आंसर्स नहीं है, कमॉन कमॉन. अप्पा साहेब रोड, व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? करंट पर यूनिट एरिया, ओके ओके, गुड. चलो, केशव रोड, पवित्रा रोड, कार्तिकेय, लकी. चलो, okay, very simple, very easy questions are there. Okay, so let's see. So we have done till here, KVL, KCL, correct? So today everybody will do Wheatstone bridge. Now we all remember the Wheatstone bridge formula. Yes, no? We all remember the Wheatstone bridge formula. So here I'll just given the Wheatstone bridge formula where resistance 1, and if I multiply with 3 opposite, and that is equal to 2 into 4. Now this happens in the case of balance condition. What is balance condition? That the potential at here and potential at here remains same. So no current flows here. If I have here 10 volt, here also 10 volt, why will any charge go there? Clear? So in that case, this is the formula. So just write down this much, and we'll see the application with the question. Don't worry. We'll see the application with the question. Everybody written this one? Very simple, very easy. While solving the question, we'll see nothing is there in the Wheatstone bridge part. We can find this condition by using KVL, KCL, but here not needed. As of now, just know the formula, how to apply, that's it. Got it everyone? Yes, no, yes, no. Chat section got too slow. Come on, fast. Done this one, Wheatstone bridge part. So almost one or the other confirm question you get for CET also. Chances are every year it repeats, okay? So very important. Will I go for the next page? Hi Chaitra. Students, will I go for the next page? Chalo. Now see, these are also Wheatstone bridge. If I pull this one from here and if I pull this one from here, it will make the same Wheatstone bridge. Okay, like this. And even this also, if I pull it up, I'll get the same Wheatstone bridge. So after seeing these two diagrams, don't get confused. Okay, these are all different forms of Wheatstone bridge, sometimes taken from the top view. Okay. Clear? How will we understand whether they are Wheatstone bridge or not? Anybody who can tell me? How will we know whether these are from Wheatstone bridge or not? What we can do, student, is see. We'll try to draw this into this form. How will we draw? See, we'll see from this one positive one connection goes to one part of R1. So from this positive one connection is going to one part of R1, and with the same it is going to one part of R4, same to one part of R4. Clear? Now everybody see, very important. From this negative it is going to which one? It is going to, let's say this one is R2. Clear? And from this negative it is going to R3. So from this negative it is going to R2 one part and R3 one part. Clear? Now from this R4 it is going to R1. So R4 it is going through R1 with G in between, and from this R4 it is going to R2. R4 it is going to R2. So this one will be R3. From R4 it is going to R3, done, and this one will be R2. And from R1 it is going to R2. From R1 it is going to R2. See, so by different color directly you can draw it. Okay, don't get confused. One by one you break the structure, you will get it. Everybody got this part? Any question? What do you do? Okay, positive plate. No, positive plate. What do you say? Resistor connected. One part of R1. Okay, done. One part of R4. See, from positive, one is from R1, one is from R4. Now next, see from the negative. From negative, which is connected R3 and R2. Negative, one part of R3, one part of R2. Done. From then here, from R4, one part is going to R1, one part is going to R3. From R4, one part is going to R1 and one part is going to R3. So like that, you can do the whole connection and you can make it into Wheatstone bridge form. Clear everyone? You can make it into Wheatstone bridge form. Clear everyone? Yes and no, yes and no, didn't get so. What about others? Gokul said yes. What about others? Did you get it? Didn't get it? Didn't get? Chalo. Next. EMF. So whenever you have a battery, whatever the voltage or potential of the battery, when it is not drawn to any circuit, not connected to any circuit, in an open circuit condition, what is the voltage of the battery or the potential of the battery? That is known as EMF. The moment you start, the moment you connect, what will happen? A very minute also what will happen? The battery has its own resistance, correct? So when current is zero, that time V is equal to EMF. The moment you connected it, now what will happen? A part of it will be what? Used. Even though you have a battery, but each battery has its own small resistance. So that is consuming a bit of current. So that time the potential changes. That time V and E changes. That time V and E changes. Clear? That time V and E changes. So that time what will happen? V is equal to E was the total when it was not connected, minus which got used due to the internal resistance of the battery. V minus IR. Clear? Clear, students? Yes, no, yes, no. Kartike, Lucky, very all went. Samiksha, come on, fast. Clear, everyone? Chalo, everybody. Let's see the next part. Everybody written this part? Everybody has written this part? Good afternoon. Clear, 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 written. I'll just go for the next page. Chalo, let's see. Now, when you're connecting battery or cells in series or in case of parallel. So, in case of series, this is directly the formula. What will happen? The voltage will become NE, the number of batteries what you have connected into voltage per battery by number of N times the number of internal resistance for each battery plus R. R is the external load. Okay, done. So this is the formula, very important. Now, if M cells are reversed, means few cells are like this, and in between few cells are like this. So if M cells are reversed, this is the formula. Clear? Clear, everyone? Draw it, everybody. Draw it, everybody. Now go through till here. 1 minute, students. Yeah, fear is good. See, fear keeps us on our toes. The moment we keep fearing that yeah, exam is near, the moment you get 5 minutes extra, 10 minutes extra, 15 minutes extra, you'll utilize that. Let's read one question of bio. Let's revise one question of bio. Okay, or if you're preparing for CBS 6 exam, then that is, or if you're just talking about CT or Comet K, so wherever you'll have time, you'll utilize it very properly. So having fear is good only if you're working for it. Only if you're working for it. Somebody's just fearing, sir. Very much scared, very much. And then he's just watching reels. Okay, he's just watching a movie. Today I got so scared. No, I started watching a movie. After 4 hours of watching the movie, now I'm a bit relaxed. So that is not a thing. Clear? Clear, everyone? Yes, no, kids. Chalo. Nobody's writing a reply. Reply fast, kids. Come on, fast. Be a bit faster in the chat section so that we can do much faster. Chalo. Why so happy, Rohan? Why so happy? Chalo, everybody. Okay, everybody, clear, clear, clear. Good. Having fear, still scrolling reels. Yeah, damn good. People do that. Like they say, sir, damn fearing, sir. Like I'm shivering. Still, I'm seeing the hands are just scrolling. Like, what are you doing? Wasting time? No. So, if you are having fear, make it original. Work on it. Start studying. Okay. Or now the good thing is call a friend. Yeah, bro, I've done nothing. What about you? "Ah, I've also done nothing. You don't know whether he's telling correct or wrong. Okay. So yeah, just like very scared. Me too. Then 1.5 hours, 2 hours gone. So you're not there to counsel your friend. No, whether he has done or not done, that won't help you. Whether you have done or not, and if you have not done, whatever that 1 hour, 1.5 hour, whatever it is, by fearing it won't improve. So what do you have to do? Start working, start learning, whatever you have to do. Forget about all that. If I'm fearing, what I say, start with one chapter, one topic. Can I complete this topic? Important, yes. Can I complete it? Yes. Then do it. Forget about the fear. Done. Shalom. Let's see everybody. If cells are connected in parallel, if cells are connected in parallel, in that case, what will happen? R equivalent is equal to, we can go by this formula. This is the load, whatever the device you are adding, and this is the internal ones. This is the current, and this is the equivalent. So it's actual formula done. You can go by this only. You can go by this only. I'll show the application. Don't fear. Applications are damn simple. When you see the numbers, you'll analyze. Okay. Let's say this is 4 volt 2 ohm resistor. Again, the other is 4 volt 2 ohm. Again, one more is 4 volt 2 ohm. 4 and 2, 4 and 2. What will be the current? Tell me fast. What will be the current? What will be the current, students? Fast. 3 cells are there, each 4 volt, internal resistance 2 ohm. What will be the current? Come on, come on. A very simple question we have given. This is 10 ohm, let's say. This is 4 and 2. 2 ohm, 4 volt. Same 4 2, same 4 2. What will be your answer? Let's see, everybody, everybody. Come on, try. Do not hesitate. Come on, try. Don't get the fear come in between you and the problem. Okay. See, the best part of the problem is the problem never complains. Whether you are able to solve, not able to solve, you wrong solve, doesn't matter. So, why to take the worry? Try. The formula is given. How will you apply? Sigma means summation. Sigma means summation. Again late for class, Raja. Do come on time. Hello, Raja. Do come on time in class, okay? Chalo. बढ़िया बढ़िया चलो ये वाला सवाल करो बच्चों जल्दी करो राजा आप भी करो चलो everybody do fast any answers no answers I gave such a easy question no kids they're like sir you have put a lot of sigma sir sigma is killing us EMF 4 what about others Mic was off only. A very simple question. Okay, I didn't see the mic was off. So very simple question. See, they have given us E effective or equivalent is equal to formula is what? Sigma E by R divided by sigma 1 by R. Sigma means what? Summation. So summation means take the first, what is a battery, divide by its internal resistance, plus second battery EMF divided by second internal resistance, then third battery EMF divided by third internal resistance, whole divided by 1 by R1 for the internal resistance of the first one, second one, third one. Done. Anybody any doubt? Anybody any doubt? Now this much we got. What about R? I wrote it as R equivalent equal to R plus 1 by sigma R. So R equivalent equal to R is what? This R, capital R is what? 10 plus 1 by this already we know 3 by 2. So 10 plus 2 by 3. 10 plus 2 by 3 is what? Come on kids, 10 plus 2 by 3 is how much? 0.67. Correct. So done. So 10.67. Now everybody, can I find I value? Can I find I? I already got this. Clear. I already got this part. I already got this part. Can I just get the answer? I is equal to E by R, E equivalent by R equivalent. Put the values, you'll get the answer. Rohan, a bouncer went. Don't worry, I'll again explain. Don't worry. How many people bouncer went? Fast, fast, fast in the chat section. Now, did everybody first tell me, did you understand this part? Did you understand this part? Yes, no. How did you find equivalent, what do you say, in EMF? Yes or no, kids? Don't give up so easily. Tell me anybody who got, how many people got it, how many didn't get? No means go. Gokul, if you have a doubt, write down D in the chat section. If you have no doubt, write down ND. If anybody has doubt, write down D. If anybody has no doubt, write down ND. Now let's see again, everybody. I'll just show it in a fast way. Basically, what we have done here is, first we found out what is E effective or E equivalent. That is nothing but the formula is sigma E by R divided by sigma 1 by R. So what does it means? Sigma E by R means I take the first EMF of the battery divided by its internal resistance, plus second EMF divided by its internal resistance, plus third EMF divided by its internal resistance, the whole divided by this R, first internal resistance plus second internal resistance, plus 1 by third internal resistance. Put the values. E1 is 4, E2 is 4, E3 is 4. So 4 by 2, 4 by 2, 4 by 2. And down 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So we got this part. Clear? 4 volt. Now I told R equivalent formula is what? Capital R. This is the load resistance plus the summation of 1 by summation of R equivalent. Or you've already got R equivalent here down. Sigma 1 by R. Put it. You'll get the value. Clear? Easy formula, no? Chalo, chalo. Got it, Rohan? Nishat, now did you get it? Did you get it? Now everybody got it, Rohan, Nishat? If not, again with the question I'll explain. Don't worry, it's simple concept, okay? Don't worry, everybody. I'll mark it down. Again, don't worry. Chalo. Got it? Okay, okay, no issues. If not, after the class again. Now, next is meter bridge based on the principle of Wheatstone bridge, okay? What is its use? To find the unknown resistance. to find the unknown resistance. Okay, so this is my shunt resistance, this is my unknown resistance. So R into 100 minus L1 is equal to S into L1. So as of now, do remember this formula. As of now, do write down this formula. I'll show you how do you apply and what does each thing means. Clear? In meter bridge, just write down this formula. I'll show you how do we apply it. Okay. Fast everyone. Fast, fast, fast. We have a bit potentiometer. And everybody, please do share about the video link to each, all and every of your friends. And the one video which I'll be putting up today in the night, share it with all your friends. Okay. It will be 15 days plan. How do you be pro in CD or COMEDK? What are the important topics? Everything, detailed plan. How do you go about it? Okay. Chalo. Can we go for the next? Yes, no. Now, next is potentiometer. What is the use? To find EMF, compare, or to find internal resistance of a cell. Three things important. Even the use is also it's important. So this part, do write it down. This part, do write it down. What is it based? A lot of questions comes based on potential gradient. Potential divided by per unit length. We have kept it constant. Okay. So it is based on that the fall of potential per unit length of a potentiometer wire. It is based on that. Okay. Now what is the formula? E1 by E2 is equal to L1 length by L2. That is to compare. Okay. Because if your L1 length is more, then your E1 EMF of the battery is more. Next, how do you get this? Using this formula. Clear? Basically, the moment you put a battery, that battery, okay, is equal to what? Shown in terms of V by L, and that will give me a length. Okay. So based on that length, I can say if more length it is covering, it means more E is there. Nothing more than that. Clear? Chalo. Write it down. I'll explain with the question. Don't worry. But write down fast. This part is important. Even the users came once or twice. Okay. So that is also important. Clear everyone? Chalo. We are not going in much detail about it, the derivations and all that. How to solve the problem will go. Don't worry. There with the question, I'll explain what does each thing is meaning and how we are figuring out. Okay. Now, what is this formula? Everybody knows, no? E is equal to V is equal to IR formula is there. V is equal to IR. This is basically the total resistance. For one unit, for this much unit, the resistance is X. So if I multiply for the whole length, and if I multiply for 1 unit, that for 1 meter, the resistance is 2 ohm, and I have 10 meter. So the resistance will be what? 20 ohm. So that's it. So E1 is equal to what? XL1 into I, and E2 is equal to what? XL2 into I. So whosoever length is more, I'll get to know because I have kept same. So there the resistance here, the L length here corresponds to what? The EMF. More L1 means more EMF is there. That's it. Nothing more than that. Clear everybody? Chalo. Clear, not clear, a bit clear, slight clear, whatever it is, do tell me. Just we are using V is equal to IR formula, Ohm's law. Okay. And that R I have written that if I know the resistance per unit length, means for 1 unit of length, I know it is X. So for L unit or L1 unit of length, I'll be knowing it. Okay. So the total resistance will be given by this one. And since I've kept the current same, so what will happen? This L1 is directly proportional to E1. So E1 is directly proportional to L1 length. Clear? So the more length we are getting on the potentiometer, the more we can say, oh, this battery is more strong. It has more EMF. Clear, everybody? Clear? Yes, no, yes, no. Fast, kids. In depth, more will go with the question. Don't worry. In depth, more will go. Okay. Chalo. Next, we use it to find internal resistance also. How do we do? How do we do? Just now we wrote E is equal to what? XL1 and V is equal to what? When key is closed, XL2. So E by V is equal to what? L1 by L2. So from there, E is equal to I by R plus R. And in case of V, what has happened? Internal resistance didn't come up. So V is equal to IR. So from there, directly we can get this formula. This formula also we can use, or this formula also we can use. So all these three formulas, I want you to write it down. Very important. All these three formulas, that's it, nothing more than that. Just these three formulas, write it down fast. Just these three formulas. Today Vidya ma'am is not there. Chalo. Clear, everybody? Just these three formulas we need. Concept wise, what the concept we are using, that is also very simple. What I told you before. Okay. We just, for solving questions, we just need these three formulas, students. That's it. Clear? Chalo. So this part is also done. Now we'll take a 5 minute break or 10 minutes. Okay, and then we'll be back with the previous year's questions. We'll be back with the previous year's questions. Okay, don't go anywhere. Be here. Okay, clear, everyone? Chalo. Ready, everyone? Let's start. Come on, fast. Hello. Hi, Subi sir. Chalo, ready, everybody? Join fast. Come on, fast. Let's start the questions. Chalo. Chalo, everybody, start the question. Start the question. The first question on your screen. Very simple, very easy. Started everybody? You have a 2 minutes timer fast. Let's see who can do it. Start everyone. Chalo, time's up. Let's start. People got D. What about Subi? Didn't get answer. Pavitra ma'am, Nishat. Answers, everybody. Option D. People are going with option D. What about others? Only few people. Others. Subi sir, what happened? Answers. Chalo, let's see everybody. So a lot of people wrote 80 pi centimeter square. Okay. So what is given and how do we solve it? Okay. So first they have given a stone is dropped in a quiet lake and waves moves in circle at a speed of 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. Clear? So basically what is this 5 meter per second, students? Nothing but dr by dt. dr by dt. Wave is moving in the form of what? Radius only, no, creating a radius circles. So they have given that speed. Next what they have given? Next what they have given? At that instant when the radius is r, so when r equal to 8, how fast? Area is enclosed. So they are asking A. What is the A formula? Pi r square. So find dA by dt. So dA by dt is equal to what? Pi as it is, 2r into dr by dt. Clear? Clear? So now we need to find dA by dt at r equal to 8. So done, 2 into 8 into pi into dr by dt is what? 5. So 80 pi, was it that tough? Was it that tough? Correct. What happened, Subi sir? Was it that tough, students? What about others? Simple, no. Tell me fast. Pi 2r into dr by dt value they gave, r also they gave. That's it. Come on, everybody join fast, join fast. In the group, I'll again put the message. Chalo. What about others? What about others? Join fast, everybody join fast. Kartike got it. Okay. Chalo. Next question fast. A very simple question. X equal to c to y is equal to c by t dy by dx at t equal to 2. Dy by dx at t equal to 2. Let's see how many people can solve it. A very simple question. A very simple question. Join everybody fast. Chalo, everybody join fast, join fast. I'll be putting a message in the app also. Kartike D, what about others? Lucky D, what about others? Keshav also D. Let's see everybody. Let's see everybody. So dx by dt is equal to how much? Is equal to what? Just c. And dy by dt is equal to what? C is constant. Differentiation of 1 by t is what? Minus 1 by t square. So dy by dx is equal to minus c by t square by c. So what we got? At t is equal to 2. So minus 1 by 4. Correct. Rohan sir, how did you get A? Rohan bro, how did you get A? Shall everybody got it? Yes, no in the chat section fast. Got it? Yes, no. Rohan sir, chalo. Chalo, let's see the next one. I think so everybody can solve this time this one. Chalo students, what about this? What about this? What will be the answer? Come on fast. Chalo, everybody got it? What about this? Come on fast answer. Very simple question I gave. When the balloon is there and that is pumping, what do you say? And that is pumping, what do you say? A balloon which remains spherical is being inflated by pumping in 10 centimeter, 10 cubic centimeter of gas per second. So volume they have given, dV by dt they have given. The rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing is 15. When the radius dr by dt they are asking. That's it. Come on people, come on. Karthike not getting. Okay. See, bro. So balloon first, they all already gave it is spherical. So and they gave 10 centimeter, 10 cubic centimeter of gas per second means 10 centimeter cube per second means what? They have given dV by dt is equal to 10 centimeter cube per second. Now they're telling me that V is equal to volume of sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So if I do dV by dt, what I'll get? 4 by 3 pi, and differentiation of r cube is what? 3r square into dr by dt. Now they gave me dr by dt, I don't know. I know dV by dt, and that is equal to 10. And I know r, that is equal to 15. So put it. So dr by dt into 3 into 15 into 15, and that is equal to into 4 pi by 3, that is equal to 10. Clear? So 3 5s are 5 2s are, okay, and then 2 1s are 2 2s are. So how much we got? dr by dt is equal to 1 by, it is coming down, 45 into 2 90, 1 by 90 pi. That's it. Clear everyone? 1 by 90 pi. Nishat ma'am, what did you get? 1 by pi centimeter per second. 225. How? Check it. Maybe I have done some mistake. It's just 10 centimeter cube. Clear? Check everybody. dV by dt was given to me. V is equal to what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So dV by dt differentiated. So 4 by 3 pi into 3r square into dr by dt. dr by dt we don't know. R we know is equal to 15. And dV by dt we know 10. Can we find dr by dt? Yes or no, kids? Can we find dr by dt? Yes or no, kids? Clear? Yes, no. Clear? Yes, no. Clear? Yes, no, kids? Do tell. Did you get? You didn't get? Pavitra, yes. What about others? Chalo. Chalo. Tomorrow, everybody, one class will do big. Okay. Let's say around somewhat confused. Why, ma'am? Where you are confused? Somewhat 7 to 11 will do. Okay. Morning. We'll do it in what to say YouTube only. So be here, everybody. And we'll finish whatever current, and if anything part of AOD left, done. And after that, classes won't be there on Saturday, Sunday, Monday 5 p.m. it will start. So this is the time for you to revise whatever is done till now. So Monday I won't hear that, sir, I haven't revised this, that. Whatever done of all maths topics, physics, chemistry, it's the time to revise. And Monday again will be 5 p.m. We'll be shooting with the what? New topics. Okay. We'll be taking a test on Tuesday, and Monday evening we'll be starting with the new topics. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Nishat ma'am, why confused? Again I'll show. See, dV by dt they gave no 10 centimeter cube per second. Now V volume formula we already know 4 by 3 pi r cube. So if I differentiate this, kid, dV by dt, what I'll get? 4 by 3 pi into 3r square into dr by dt. Clear? Now you already know you have to find this value. You already know this value. You already know the r. Just put it. Tell me where is the confusion. Clear everyone? Chalo. Clear everyone? Everybody try this. Very simple. Chalo, chalo, everybody. Let's see. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry, Ganit. Okay. What do you say? Whatever, how much you are able to do, every student, just make sure that you don't waste time. Just make sure that you don't waste time. That's it. That's the main thing. Okay. So whatever time we are giving it is to for you to revise. How much best you can revise. Okay. Keeping in mind that you should not waste the time. That's it. Clear? After that, again, we'll be going in a very strong flow. 8 hours, 9 hours class will be there with the app and everybody. So that will be there. So don't worry. Chalo. Now, everybody, what is the answer of this? I didn't get any single answer from anybody. How do you find this question? How do you solve this question? They have given two curves. I gave you one formula, angle between two curves. I gave you one formula, angle between two curves. How did you show? How do you do it? How do you do it? Come on, anybody. The angle between two curved students, how will we do it? Very simple, very easy. So what we have to do, find the, I'm giving you, find the dy by dx of this, okay, at some point h comma k where they're cutting each other, okay, and that will be the slope of first tangent from here. Same thing, find the dy by dx of this one, okay, at h comma k, and this will be m2. Now what you see, multiply this one m1 into m2, you'll see m1 into m2 will be equal to -1. That's it. No need that one, bro. See, one curve is given. No, one curve is given. So in that curve, I assumed any point hk, and then what I've done, I got the dy by dx. Basically, I got dy by dx means what? Dy by dx at h comma k means what? I got the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. Clear? So that is m1. Now another curve is there, and that tangent is here. So if I do the dy by dx for that slope, that curve, I'll get the slope of other tangent. Slope of tangent 2. So that is equal to m2. So if I multiply these two, if they are making any angle, mostly 90 only answers will be there. So they'll be equal to -1. Clear? Clear, everyone? Yes sir, no sir, yes sir, no sir. Clear, everyone? Chalo. Now it's kind of big. Anybody can come up, tell me what we can do to short it, what we can do to short it. Any other way? Now, to avoid confusion, orthogonal relation applied, correct. To avoid confusion in this question, what I can do, to avoid the confusion part in this question, what I can do, instead of taking a, what do you say, h comma k or something like that, I'll directly take the point x and y only. So I'll just find dy by dx for the first case, and I'll put it as dy by dx. If I do, what I'll get? Check it. What is the question I have? It will be x cube, students. Once again, x cube. Everybody, it will be x cube, huh? Okay. X cube minus 3xy square plus 2, that is equal to 0, and 3x square y minus y cubic, what is equal to 2. Correct. Now what I'll do, I'll differentiate. So the moment I differentiate, kid, the moment I differentiate, normal differentiation, okay. So the moment I differentiate in this, what I'll get? Tell me fast. So if I differentiate this, I'll get 3x square minus here uv, 3 into bracket, okay. Differentiate the x first. So 3y square into dx by dx 1 minus 3x into differentiation of y square 2y into dy by dx. Excuse me, students. No orthogonal relation, just see here. Same thing, but just you have to get the dy by dx. So everybody, what I'm getting the dy by dx, check it. 3 cancelled. Okay, cancelled. So what I'm getting dy by dx, send it that side. X square, what do you say? Y square minus x square by 2xy. Correct, minus 2xy. So that is equal to x square minus y square by 2xy. Everybody yes or no? Everybody yes or no? Is dy by dx doing very difficult? Is getting the dy by dx very difficult? Tell me fast. Is just getting the dy by dx very difficult? No, correct. Next, what about the other one? For the other function, let's see here. So 3x square y minus y cube equal to 2. Differentiate. So 3, I differentiated x square. So 2x into y plus 3y, sorry, 3x square into dy by dx minus 3y square into dy by dx equal to 0. So dy by dx into 3 I can cut everywhere. X square minus y square is equal to minus 2xy. So dy by dx, you get able to see minus 2xy by x square minus y square. So if I multiply this and this, what I'll get? Minus 1. Clear, clear, clear. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Good. See, this question got repeated what? Twice. Clear? Got it, everybody? Yes, no, everybody got it. Clear, everybody? Okay, okay, chalo. Now, everybody try this question. Now, I think so everybody is losing energy. So if you're losing energy, then we'll keep it for today and we'll do it tomorrow morning 7, okay? By 7 to 11, we'll finish it off. This and current. So everybody save the energy, okay? Just one last question. Very simple question. They're telling if x is real, then the minimum value of this function. If minimum value of the expression. Come on, fast. Correct. Done. So what is the answer? Minimum value of the function is. Chalo, let's see everybody. So what we have done, fx is given. Fx is given as x square minus 8x plus 17. So f dash x is what? 2x minus 4. 2x minus 8. So I got x equal to 4. Now at x equal to 4, what is the function value? F of 4 is equal to 16 minus 12 plus 17. Sorry, 32 plus 17. So 33 minus 32. So that is equal to 1. Now check for double dash also. F double dash x is what? 2. So it is greater. It means what? Minima. So the minimum value is what? 1 kid. half moon. Correct. Derivative value. See, critical point we don't take. No, we take the what? After putting the critical point, after putting f of 4, what is the value I'm getting? Minimum value. That is the answer. No. Clear. Don't do this kind of mistake. Very, very important. Simple mistake not to do it. Clear? Clear, yes or no? Why substituted? Because see, this is my critical value. No. I need to get exact value. What is the minimum value? In maximum minima, I told no. We substitute the critical value in the original function. Clear? Like if you remember the graph, let's say at x equal to 4, we are getting like this. So at x equal to 4, I'm getting the maxima. So 4 is not maximum value. No, what is the maximum value? If I put x equal to 4, this f of 4 is maximum. Correct? Correct? Correct, everyone? समझ आया बच्चों? चलो चलो, क्लियर क्लियर क्लियर. यहां तक रहने दे बच्चों. We'll keep it till here. You want to do more or keep it till here? So for today, keep it till here, okay, everybody? We'll see you all tomorrow morning 7. So everybody put a message in the group tomorrow morning 7 to be there, okay? Chalo. Okay. I'm ending the stream. Thank you all, okay? Chalo. Work hard, be dedicated, and be honest. And don't give up hope. Fight is not over, okay? Till the day we're writing the exam, the fight is not over. The moment you have written, now don't have any what regret. Done. Whatever you could do, you have done. So till then, done. Okay. Keep working hard. And do share with all your friends about tomorrow's class. Okay. Whichever way you can help or share it, that will be a big help. Okay. Chalo. Thank you.